Honourable Member for Gellibrand.
Thank you, Mr Deputy Speaker. Last Friday evening, the March for Medicare took place at the State Library of Victoria. Thousands of Melburnians, including professionals, labourers, students, doctors and nurses, took part to demonstrate against this government's attack on Australia's universal healthcare system.
Order.
I attended this rally along with several of my parliamentary colleagues, including the Shadow Minister for Health, the member for Ballarat and the member for Chisholm. We were there because we care about the future of Medicare. It's a policy the Labor government has had to fight for in the face of consistent opposition from the Liberal Party. Universal healthcare was first introduced by the Whitlam government in 1975. It faced fierce opposition from the Conservatives before, during and after introduction and was subsequently gutted by the Liberal Party under the Fraser government. Labor then campaigned from opposition to reintroduce a fair universal healthcare scheme, which it did in 1984 following the election of the Hawke government. In the 30 years since, Medicare has ensured millions of Australians had access to an affordable and fair healthcare system. Now, this government is seeking to undermine the basis of Medicare by asking Australians to pay a $7 GP tax every time they visit the doctor, despite promising Australians no new taxes. These changes will hurt every Australian, especially those on low incomes. Those of us on this side of the House have had to fight for universal healthcare against the Liberal Party before. We fought for it at the 1969 election. We fought for it at the 72 election, at the 75 election, at the 77 election, at the 80 election, at the 83 election, at the 84 election, at the 87 election, and we'll fight for it again at the next federal election. Australians didn't vote for this and they don't want it.